Hello everybody, I'm Khalid Siddiqui. As you know, all of us have been surprised with water leaks underneath the sink. And by the time we detect the water leak underneath the sink, the wood has already swollen underneath because it has become water damage because we simply discovered it too late. This has happened to me time and time again. So I did some research and I found a solution so this will never happen to you, and I wanted to share it with you. There is this product that it detects water leak and the alarm goes off, and it takes one 9-volt battery. The battery will last 5 years. You don't have to change it every time. And I'm not doing a promotional product advertisement or anything. You can buy this from anywhere you like, or you can buy any brand you like. The one, as a matter of fact, the one I purchased doesn't even have a brand. It's like a generic thing. It was like $5-6. You can buy it and kiss goodbye the water leak damage. You could put it anywhere where there is suspicion of water leak. You could put it in your attic. You can put it underneath each sink in your house, underneath your laundry machine, washer, dryer. As soon as a drop of water drops on the sensor, the alarm goes off. So here's how it works. Let me show it to you. So the unit takes a 9-volt battery right here. Let me put a battery. So here is the battery. The way you put it on the one I got, the positive goes on this side. Okay, so let's close this. So this is the alarm. This is the on-off. Right now it's in off position, and now it's in on position. That's the on-off switch. And you put this guy right here wherever you want the water leak to be detected. So let's say I will put it right here, and you can put a piece of tape on it. Let me put a piece of tape. So this is a piece of tape. You don't put too much tape to cover it, because then the water will not touch it. You want the water to touch it. So actually, let me put the tape on the cable side so this sensor is completely down. And you want to put this in the lowest level where the water would puddle. And that's it. Now watch, I'm going to drop a drop of water, and watch the alarm, how loud it is. So I turned it off, obviously. It was making me go crazy. It's very loud, very loud. And yeah, that's how it works. And by the way, it comes with adhesive, double-sided adhesive, which you put here and glue this underneath the sink on the wall of the cabinet, and put this at the bottom, and you will be in business. You can never be surprised with water leaks again. All right, you can get these. Oh, actually, this one is Top Vico, some kind of a brand. It's actually a no-name brand. It says Top Vico here. I don't know if you can see that. Let me switch back to this. Top Vico, but this is a no-name brand. You could buy these from different manufacturers. You can get them on eBay. You can get them on Temu or AliExpress, Amazon, you name it. It's everywhere. All right. Thank you for watching.